Hello, I am the owner of Pink Bow Bundles LLC. I'm here today to talk to you about a popular hair type. The hair type that we're going to be talking about today is human hair weaves. Yes, I am filming from my car. Human hair weaves, they're becoming more and more popular. If you really look around and pay close attention, they're being worn by many people. A long time ago, people did not talk about hair or weaves, rather. They didn't. They just didn't. You would see someone with hair and you're like, oh my goodness, that hair is beautiful, it's long, or whatever it is or it was that you would say or you would hear other people say. They never talked about hair weave. But now, hair weave is becoming more and more evidence. It's popular. It really is. So now, not only is it popular or is it being worn by people who identify themselves as females, it's also being worn by people who identify themselves as males or whatever the preference may be. Now, when you're talking about wearing hair weave, there are many reasons why people wear it. Some people wear it because they want to wear it. Some people wear it because they feel they have to wear it. So if I have long hair today, and let's say I want to try a different style. I want short hair, but I don't want to alter my own natural hair, I would wear extensions. Whether it be bundles or whether it be a lace front unit, I would wear extensions. If my hair is purple today, but I want it pink next week because I'm going to a pink event, I will wear extensions, whether it be weave or a unit. So people are wearing them more and more, and they're talking about it more and more because it's versatile. Other people also are feeling the need to wear it, or they are looking forward to wearing it. For example, if you have someone suffering with hair loss for whatever the reason is, they may wear a closure on top of their rear hair, depending on where they're experiencing the hair loss in their head or on their head. They may wear a full-blown unit because it's quicker, it's easier. You know, you can take it off. Some people may also just simply wear or choose to wear hair bundles for whatever the case may be. One thing I do know is that when you're wearing natural hair weaves or human hair weaves, it does a few things for you. It does protect your hair from the elements of the weather. For example, I live in sunny Florida, okay? In Florida, sometimes the weather is cold, our cold at least. Sometimes it's windy, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's just hot because it is. So think about when you are styling your hair and you're applying heat to it, whether you're pressing it with a pressing comb, whether you're flat ironing it with a flat iron, or whether you blow drying it, that's heat. You put a protectant on it, right? When you're using the heat. Well, you should. So look at human hair weaves or bundles as being a protectant for you against the elements. Listen. Come closer. Hair weaves are also meant to give your natural hair a break. Yes, if you're trying to grow your hair out or if you want it to be a little stronger, it does give your hair a break. They're not meant to be worn a year straight, so you have to take care of your natural hair underneath that, okay? You just can't wear it a year straight. You got to take care of your natural hair because that's the purpose of wearing a hair weave. If you're giving your hair a break or doing, versatile looks or versatile styles, human hair weave. Some people choose to wear synthetic as well, but keep in mind when you're wearing synthetic hair, the way you bought it is the way you are going to wear it because you really can't alter that. You really can't. Human hair, such as what I have right now, it can be dyed, it can be flat ironed, it could be wand curled, it could be blow dried straight, you can have the wet look. It's versatile. So in the series to come, I'm going to be discussing more and more with you about human hair weaves. There's nothing wrong with synthetic hair weaves. Nothing. They're just not as versatile as human hair weaves are. That's it. I used to wear synthetic weaves. I did. And I would change them up about every month or so because I wanted a different look. And I knew if I wanted a different look, I had to change them out. But with the human hair weaves, you don't have to change them out like that. You can wear them, but give your hair a break in between. But you can wear them and you can alter the hair weave versus altering your hair. So as I said before, we're going to be talking more and more about human hair weaves in the series that I have coming up that I'm going to be posting to my channel. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to leave your questions down below. I will be reading through the comments. I will be responding ASAP, as quick as I can, okay? Again, I am the owner of Pink Bow Bundles, LLC. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, be beautiful.
You should tell me how it is. All I wanna hear is pretty little fears, baby. And you should tell me how it is.